What is going on YouTube? Back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP as well as Solana, as we might have an opportunity on our hands to buy in. Now, currently it is 6:30 a.m. I know, yes, very early, and there's a reason for it because I want to get in on these trades way earlier than most everyone that's going to be watching this video. And hopefully, if you've watched this video early, you'll be able to capitalize on these runs too. I have a gut feeling the way these markets are moving, that we're going to see potential over the next couple of hours, if not today, moving forward, that we start to see XRP potentially swing to the upside here, as well as Solana break through our major price ceiling that could also lead us to a massive run to the upside as well. These are going to be the main two cryptocurrencies that we talk about in this morning's episode. Then in the afternoon, we will also be looking at Ethereum as well as Bitcoin, which just had its most recent break above here. I'm still on the fence about whether or not I want to buy in or not. I know I said, oh, wait for us to confirm closure outside of this, but a part of me just has this gut feeling that it might not go the way we planned. And that's why I think I'm focused mainly on XRP and Solana, as those have potential now to keep moving up to the upside here. So I'm pretty excited on those. We'll see how those decide to play out over the next couple of hours here. Very clear, concise buy-in opportunities on both of these major cryptocurrencies. So I highly recommend you stick around and watch the rest of today's video, because if you want to get in on these cryptos, today is the day that we do so. So definitely stay tuned, and I'll explain more why that is in a second. But with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive right into today's episode. So guys, super quick before we dive into today's video, two really quick announcements. First and foremost, we did our Amazon gift card giveaway just yesterday, and I'm still waiting for the person that wanted to step forward. So if you think you won and you didn't watch yesterday, or if you haven't watch yesterday's video, make sure to watch yesterday's episode to see who the giveaway winner was, so I can send you your gift. We are redoing it and starting the new giveaway over today for this week. So if you want to win an Amazon gift card, it's $20, as well as some Bitfi merchandise you could see here, t-shirts, so on and so forth. Definitely just all you have to do is comment your favorite cryptocurrency down in the comment section below. Comment XRP, Shiba Inu, comment, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, whatever it is, Stellar, comment it down in the comments below, as well as subscribe to the channel, as I will be checking. And if you do not subscribe, you will not be entered in the giveaway. And if I pick you, I'm going to be picking somebody new, as I will be checking. So make sure to take advantage of that in a second. And then lastly, Bitfi is doing a $200 bonus of free cryptocurrency. Just a couple of days left on this, so make sure to go claim your free $200 with the link down in the description below. Sign up ASAP, claim your free money. And otherwise, let's dive back into today's episode. So far and so forth. Yesterday, we made a video basically saying that I pretty much swear something massive is going to happen, and that is referring to today, as most of these major cryptos are trading completely flatline. This is a photo of Solana trading sideways here, and something huge is going to happen, because we typically don't trade sideways in crypto, and that usually results in a big run to the upside here. That's truly what I'm expecting to see happen within Solana, and I'll explain more about that in a second. The last update that might not be exact technical indicators or analysis is looking at the current coin market cap. I like to do this as a quick refresh, keep it light, keep it loose. You can see here the global crypto market is 2.7 trillion, which means more money has come in overnight, which is insane to start off today on Monday here. And you can see we're at 2.2, we're up 2.2%. Bitcoin is still up 10%. Ethereum's up 15%. BNB's up 25% for the week here. And you can just see the start of today. So the start of Monday is us slowly starting to see a pump into this morning here at 6:30 in the morning, trading sideways still across the board for a lot of these cryptos. But as of Monday started, we're starting to see the volume already start to trickle into the markets. Volume is up 43% over the past 24 hours. And I think you can see starting today, volume is coming back. Crypto is coming back, and we're starting to see that pop. Things are starting to pop off this morning, which is nuts right now, that all of this volume is coming right back into the market as we start off this new week, which is incredible if you ask me. Now, I think I'm going to just risk it for the biscuit and buy into XRP right after this video, because I believe we're probably going to continue to pump up and over this major resistance here. I mean, it's definitely tough, but I want to explain why. You can see if I jump to the daily, for those that are new to the channel here, we've been tracking, and I don't know where our, oh no, I deleted it. We've been tracking, or I can even jump to the weekly here, 5, and you can see how simple it is now. We have 5 confirmations of a bull flag on crypto, or on XRP specifically. We have this uptrend right here, followed by a bull flag. Here's the flag pulled down, and then the breakout. And this is what a bull flag looks like. It's typically a flag up, the flag pull, and then I break to the upside. And it's happened so many times now. And I've been saying this over and over again for the past, like literally the past year and a half. We called the bottom right at about 30 cents. Currently, we're at 60 cents. So even if you want to hate on XRP, if you bought in, you'd be up 100%. And then, like, who's laughing? You put in 50K, well, you're at 100K in a year. I mean, again, you want to hate on XRP, go for it, but this is proof is in the pudding that we're up, creating these higher lows consistently. Each bottom that we've had since we bottomed off here, you'll notice, is higher than the previous ones, and it continues to keep moving up and up and up. Just something to consider. Anywho, for those that are more focused on the current market that we're in, we've been dealing with the 5th bull flag currently here, which is the biggest bull flag that we've been dealing with since we started this. And you can see we're currently battling a huge battle going on, retesting the top of the moving average on the weekly charts here. But you can see we confirmed the break outside of this downtrend here, which is huge. That means we're going to carry forward, which is what I'm waiting for patiently here. And you can see then moving forward again, looking at XRP here, we have a beautiful uptrend followed by this lower high, lower low movement. We have the flag. Here's the flag pull, and then we have the current breakout that we just had outside of this major downtrend here in yellow. You can see we're having a golden cross on XRP forming as I speak, which is huge signs of potential swing to the upside. And that's why I'm going to take a risk. We're going to put a stop loss in just in case. But overall, I'm pretty bullish on XRP. Check this out again. You can see consistently here on the relative strength indicator for XRP on its daily charts, we have been in an ascending fractal. And each time we come back to retest this bottom support, we end up breaking higher. And you can see we just recently did so, falling from 75 on the RSI down to 54, 56 here. We should be rebounding off support here, probably heading into the overbought territory. Maybe it's not incredibly high, but moving up nonetheless here. And you can see then zooming in on, we can even jump to the 4-hour charts here. Look at the ascending fractal that we're dealing with here. You can clearly see where we've been creating these higher lows and higher highs. Each time we head up, it's higher than the last, and each time we fall, it's higher than the last. And it is consistent here. Not only that, we're battling the moving average. We use that as a means of support on the 4-hour to rebound and reverse off of here. We even have this beautiful daily downtrend here. You can see, or maybe we'll jump to the 4-hour. It might be easier to look at. You can see clear as day here. We have this downtrend, clear resistance, clear floor. We've been creating this sort of movement here. We just kind of broke through it. And I believe that because we hit a bottom here, markets are going to reverse up. So I'm going to put a trade. We're going to put a stop loss kind of down here. I don't think we're going to hit 60 cents. We could even maybe do, 61 cents if you want, but I don't think we're going to reverse off. And I think Monday morning is going to start the volume pump and we're going to explode to the upside. And I'll explain why. And the reason is, Bitcoin just broke all-time highs yet again. We're at $71,700, the highest price Bitcoin has ever reached in history. History is in the making right now for those that have bought in early and have been paying attention here. This is new territory for us. There's no charting. There's no indicators. We can use history now to base judgment on the future, but we've never seen the markets this high. So it is a completely new chart for us. It is so new for us here because we've never, ever, ever entered this area up here. So, I mean, everything is going to be new exploration. You can see it. Check this out. Absolutely insane. We've never gone this high. So there's a few things that we can use, but again, you'd be a fool to be buying in and holding on long term right now. Bitcoin is at 90 on the RSI, the highest point it has ever been. And I don't want to go too much into here, although I am excited. And I'll show you what has happened the last time we were this overbought in the past here on Bitcoin. But again, that's going to be for the afternoon video. Going back into XRP and Solana, stay tuned. But we are going to be able to trade XRP using Bitfi. And like I said, Bitfi is doing a $200 free giveaway for those that sign up with my link. I have yelled at Bitfi to change their $200K deposit bonus. You had to trade $200,000 to $300,000 in volume to get $200. Like, that's nuts. Lots of beginners are trying to join, finding a good exchange. do it something that's easy for everyone. So they did. They listened to me. They made this custom for me and, you know, you guys only, that if you sign up and you deposit 200 or whatever it is that you deposit, you can earn $200 in free cryptocurrency that easy. So make sure to check that out down in the description below. And for those that, because I get this asked all the time in the comments, for those that ask what exchange that I use to trade crypto or buy crypto, it is Bitfi and Coinbase. But Bitfi is what I do to buy and sell and create leverage trades. And that's because Bitfi is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Bitfi lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you'd want on an exchange is offered on Bitfi. What's even cooler is I have the stop losses, you have the buy long, sell short, yada, yada, yada. You can see where is it. Here we go. Welcome rewards bonus, as well as the demo trading account. So beyond the fact that we can buy in, which I'm going to do in a minute with you on Bitfi, on XRP, and then we'll do one later on the afternoon, probably on Solana, because today is the day. You can see right here, beyond the $200 in free bonus, they're giving away another $2,000 in free cryptocurrency by completing the new user, advanced, and exclusive tasks. So I highly recommend you take advantage of this website, get your free bonus cryptocurrency, because you can use that to earn free profits that you can withdraw with this free money on the XRP chart that's about to soar in the very near future. And I'll give you guys another conservative window of when to buy in on XRP in a second. But they also have a demo account, which gives you 50 grand of Monopoly money on Bitfi to test your skills, get familiar with the platform. You can literally test Bitcoin trades. You can test XRP trades, Solana trades, all using the Bitfi demo account on the desktop or your mobile phone. Get familiar. Then when you're ready, test all the trades you want. And then when you're making profitable trades, you can switch on over to the live trading account, or you could just use your bonus money that you earned from signing up and then get familiar with this and trade around with that. And then you can withdraw your profits. So it's that simple. It's that easy. I highly recommend you take advantage of it. So moving forward, and lastly, to wrap up today's video, XRP is forming this downtrend here. You can see, this is an extremely aggressive scale nonetheless. We just closed above major resistance, which is extremely good news. But if we jump back to the 4-hour charts, you can see we're trying to see confirmation closure, mainly above this resistance line here. If we do so, when we close the 4-hour right here, we have about an hour left, which is totally cool. But if we close this, and I think that's what I'll wait for my sign, so by the time you guys see this, it'll already be out. But it's an hour and 17 minutes left. We confirm closure above this resistance here, this downtrend, and this price ceiling in green, then we'll take our chances and buy in with the expectations of filling in the gap. A long-term trade, we expect to see prices start to move up like this. That's what I'm betting on. I have this gut feeling that the patterns just keep patterning, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be moving up like this. Then we're going to see this next, what is going on? We're going to see this as a next movement or something like this as we start to head to the upside. That's what I would expect to see happen on XRP. Now, as for Solana, my Solana holders out here, and also, if you guys have stayed this far along, I need to know if you guys want to see SHIB, but maybe I'll leave it in the comments down below. You can see here on Solana that we're trading sideways, and on the 4-hour charts, there is an enormous sideways channel forming here and brewing, and this screams breakout. You can see we almost had a pump fake right here, but really what we're looking for is price ceiling to get broken, not so much the bottom support. We have a clear resistance here. Prices have not been able to break through $150 at all, maybe 149 and change here. It's exactly maybe 149.08. We have yet to be able to close above here. Constantly tried and have constantly gotten rejected, which means currently Solana is getting flatlined out on its RSI, and at some point we break through here, we're going to explode. And I mean explode higher than you have ever seen. It's going to take a while. You can already see the consolidation that's taking place here, but we're on this uptrend. If we could break through it, we're going to go up. We're going to go up very fast. I don't think we're going to break through this price ceiling at 171, but we are going to pump upwards nonetheless. So definitely stay tuned for that. I'm excited to see what happens. This will be that opportunity to buy in. Once we break through here, you can already see we've had 3 days now, going on 4 days of consolidation where the prices are doing absolutely nothing. And at some point that is going to pop and that is going to break, and we're going to be able to buy in and either long to the upside or the downside. But keep your eyes peeled on the Solana charts. And with that being said, if you guys want to see a Shiba Inu video, let me know down in the comments below if you stayed this long. With that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.